Welcome. In front of me is an Air 2 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, and then find the screen recording toggle, which should be visible on one of the pages, which for me that is on the second page. Once you see a tile, you can simply tap on it and then choose Start after you have selected the audio and if you want to record touches or not. Click on Start. This begins a 3-second countdown and then it's recording with this obnoxiously annoying notification sound. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device, minus some applications that have DRM protection. So you don't have the option to turn it off if you wanted to, because corpos have to shove DRM everywhere. But anyway, once you're done recording, you can click right here on the stop. This will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. There we go. And you can see it right here at the front. You might also be able to find it under album called Movies, though right now I think just because there's just one thing in my entire photo library, it doesn't show albums, but I think they would typically be visible somewhere here at the bottom. Or you can also tap on the text Movies, and this will take you to the catalog as well. Now going back to the DRM that I was talking about, most of the applications that it uses are apps like streaming platforms, but it's also being used by other applications, for instance like bank applications. Now the reason bank apps use this is to protect the user, as it's not only blocking the screen recorder but screenshots and also any application that would want to, for instance, record or /spy on you while you're opening up said application. In this kind of scenario, what that malware would be able to see is just a black screen with nothing on it. Therefore, obviously, your data is secure. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.